Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to insert the video into the HTML. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So inserting a video, if you have in the local system, so what you have to do, there you need a URL. So if I go and check this one, so here you can see that if I go to my code, so there is no code. Okay, I'm opening just test HTML. If you can see that there is a video file. Okay, and here you can see that I have added the video file name over here. So name of the video file, make sure it should be the same folder location or whatever location you have to mention it over here. And here you need to define the type and the width and the height and wrapped into the video tag and run it. You can see that the video is over there. Okay, so this is very simple to integrate or add a video into your HTML page. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.